Hi, my name's Nick Murphy and I'm one of the co-founders and the CEO here at Kutana. Today I'm super excited to show you our new look and feel platform, which makes it much simpler and easier for our customers to send money around the world. So let's jump in and take a look. So welcome to the new look and feel Kutana platform. So just a few things to run through. What you can see on the right hand side here is you can easily scroll and see all the wallets that you have available. To create a new wallet, it's as simple as just clicking create, selecting the wallet that you want and clicking confirm, and that wallet is instantly created and you can start making deposits, you can start receiving money into that wallet, and of course start paying in that currency as well. Moving on to the payments features. There's two options now. You've got the pay on Kutana, which is where you pay directly to another Kutana user within 4 seconds. So it's as simple as finding the Kutana user you want to send money to, selecting the currency. Let's say in this example, I want to send money to Ghana. I will send $5,000 to Ghana. I've got my rate, it's around 72,000. I will put in payment for services and I will upload the CV, the invoice, that is related to that payment. Click continue, and if you look, yep, I'm happy with all that. You can see our fees clearly called out, what we're charging. We will confirm and pay, and again this should arrive in 4 seconds, so there we go, payment done. But what we're really excited about is our new feature, which gives our customers the ability to pay non-Kutana users, which means they can pay anyone, anywhere in the world. So to do that, you click on Pay Off Kutana, and we have the option to support bank transfer or mobile money. In this example, let's say I'm a Ghanaian company and I want to pay my supplier in the UK. If I wanted to add new suppliers, I could just add recipients here. But for the purpose of this, let's just say I am paying the supplier I already have, and let's say it was a £10,000 order. So I get my rate there, it's 214,000 Ghana cedis, and let's say it was an invoice number there that I want to act as a reference, and I want to upload my invoice as evidence of the transaction. So I click continue, and I get the summary here of the exact amount of CDs. Again, you can see exactly how much we are charging, so we've got fully transparent pricing, all the details, and if you're happy with them, it's simple as confirm and pay and done. Now generally, because we're paying off Kutana users, we take up to around 24 hours to make that payment. It's not as quick as the 4 second wallet transactions, but it varies per market. In some markets we are very close to that 4 second mark, but in other markets we do need that time to work with the appropriate partners to get the money to its final destination. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the new look and feel Kutana platform. We are super excited about it. We can't wait to see the reaction of our customers. It is now dropped and live in production, so if you are a Kutana customer, please give us feedback on how you're finding it, and if you're not a Kutana customer, well, we now have a fantastic platform that you could really benefit from. So we'd love to hear from you and have a conversation about how we can help.